Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Today we're here looking at what has happened since yesterday. Yesterday, Monday, when the markets kicked in, news came out, or some hearsay news came out. What do we expect from this news? How has it benefited most of us who listened to the recording from yesterday? Today's Tuesday, July 27th. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, share this channel if you care. That's how we get noticed, and that's how we grow together as a family. You and me. That's right. This is Bitcoin here. We're looking at a chart of Bitcoin, and what happened yesterday? You can see right here, Bitcoin had a huge move. It went up about 30% from the low of, what was it, around 29,000, and it went up and touched 40,000. What did I tell people? You should sell if you get to 38 to 39, even 40,000. You should sell some, not all. You should sell at least some, if not half of whatever it is that you're holding, so that you can take some gains. Is there good news? I don't know. This is a chart view, so I don't have full real-time information on Bitcoin right now. I'm just looking more at the technicals so that we can see the difference of what happened. Yesterday, there was news that was leaked that Amazon would be accepting Bitcoin as a source of charging to be able to pay for your products. But today we find out it's not true. Now, Bitcoin did recede some, and I'm going to show you the chart on that. It's the same chart, but this is we were just looking at a daily chart. This is the hourly chart. Now you can see that it had a high of 40,000, and it dipped to 36,000. Now it's back up to 38.8 or so. Again, is this real time or not? I don't think it's real time. I'm probably delayed 10 to 15 minutes is what the average delay would be, but you can get an idea of what has happened. Will this go back down? It probably will. People will hold out for a little while, and then it'll probably drop some more. It might have a newer low. It might be 33,000, 34,000, somewhere in that range. And that might be the new low for a while. Bitcoin, that's right. Bitcoin, is there any news on Bitcoin? There's always news on Bitcoin. Will we be able to see it here? I don't think so, but I'd like to be able to show you at least one source of information in reference to Bitcoin, because it's important that you are aware that there's news out there in reference to Bitcoin always, and the news can affect how the investment goes. Let me just see if it's down here. I didn't prepare for this part of the information. Okay, here we go. So bitcoin.org is probably the better place to look immediately for information, and the white papers, you can see it right here. Those are the two better places to go in and check and see what's going on with Bitcoin. What's next? Ethereum. Ethereum also had a very similar move. It also went from the low of 1,700 to 2,400. That's right. And I told people I would probably cash out anywhere from 23, 22 to at least half and hold, because I believe it's going to go back down. It is going to go back down. That's a reality, because the news that is out there is not sustaining enough to be able to keep investing on this for longer term. These are the websites that we recommend if you want more information on Ethereum. Ethereum.org, and Wikipedia. You can check out Ethereum on there on Wikipedia as well. For Dogecoin, the people's coin, this one went up about, it says 30%. It doesn't look like it was a 30% move, but when you check down here, it was 16 cents and it went up to 20 cents. Let's see if that's right again. 16 cents to about 21 cents. It made a move. It made a pretty good move. And that move is benefiting right now, and it will continue if Bitcoin and Ethereum continue. If not, it's going to go right back down on that one. Beam, I alerted yesterday in my video, actually in my Telegram group. What is happening with Beam? Beam, search it up, look it up. This one right now, it's worth around 47 cents a coin, and it went up to $2.10 or so. It is a pretty good investment for the longer term. There's news coming out in the next few hours or day or two. There's important stuff coming out for Beam. Don't want to give it all away. You should research that. Where should you go and check? Well, if there's, let's see, where's the software? Beam.mw. M as in Mary, W as in white. MW, Beam, BEAM.MW. Check it out so you can get the latest information on Beam. Cardano, ADA Cardano, has also had a very similar move. It went from $1.02 all the way to $1.29, which is close to about 30% gain. That is wonderful, wonderful. Some of you who have benefited on the returns on this have sent me messages, and I really appreciate that. It's unbelievable the amount of people who have been benefiting from this information. Now let's take a look at one more. Safemoon, a coin of the people. This coin has dropped. It's amazing that even though its information is so positive in reference to investing, its burn rate, it's really way below what people are expecting. If you have a few bucks, 500, $1,000, hold on to it. Hold on to it. Let's see what happens in the next 5 to 10 years, because that's the reality, is that the longer you hold, the more of a possibility you have of making some type of good returns. What do you check out more information? How about safemoon.net? Safemoon.net, that's one of the websites that you can check out information in regards to Safemoon. Its chart is populating up right here. Once it does, I will give you more information. The live Safemoon price today is 0.00, 5 zeros and a 3, with a 24-hour trading volume of 19 million. Safemoon is down 4.1% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is 207 with a live market cap of 1.5 billion. It has a circulating supply of 585 trillion. Is that right? Million, billion? Yep. Safemoon coins and the max supply is not available. So I'm guessing I'm not getting this information up here. Let me try that once more. Sometimes the internet doesn't cooperate and we don't get the information as fast as we'd like. You can see here, right here, it shows that Safemoon went up 15%. That's in the last 24 hours, but it's gone up actually closer to 22% since the start of this bullish run. It's a very good bullish run. And remember, are you taking profits? If you're not taking profits, what are you waiting for? Do you have a specific goal? Are you holding for the long term, for the midterm? Maybe to get double what it is right now or triple what it is right now. And that's why you're not cashing in. The better investors, the intelligent investors out there, are the ones who can take profits and run and come back if the opportunity repeats itself. That's right. Take profits and run, because there's no guarantee you're going to double, triple, quadruple your money within the same amount of time. So that's why I recommend take some profits. That way you are invested and you have some good returns to talk about. Any other way, it's a gamble. Now, Safemoon didn't pop up here. No, I don't know what to tell you about Safemoon, but these crypto coins that I'm showing you here are promising. Beam is promising. Cardano has a lot of promising information on it. Why don't you check it out at cardano.org? That's right. I forgot to give you that website before. The Ethereum move is going to go. It's going to happen, I'd say, in the middle of August, if not beginning of September. It's going to start moving. This one is at 2,300 right now, just below that. It's very good investment for the long term. So that's it for today. This is CeoTrades, where money works for you. Tomorrow, we're going to look at in-depth on what can I utilize on the technical analysis, this chart right here, that will point out the direction of where a coin or a stock is headed. Until tomorrow, please like, share, and subscribe, because if you share, you care. Have a good one.